In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Schedule 1 in multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can play Schedule 1 either single player, so alone, or you can play with up to 4 friends in the same lobby. Currently, the main way to do this is going to be through Steam. If the game releases for other platforms like consoles in the future, you will most likely be able to follow similar steps to invite your friends. So, for this current moment on PC through Steam, all that you have to do is invite your friends to a lobby. So if you look at the top right corner of the home screen, you will see lobby, and if you just open the game, you will be alone. Now what you have to do is tap this plus icon to invite your friends. Make sure that everyone has the most up-to-date version of Schedule 1. So this version should match. If someone is on a different version, they will not be able to join, so update the game if needed. Once you choose the plus sign at the top, you will open the Steam friends list. You will see all of your online friends, and you can select whoever it is that you would like to invite. They will get a Steam notification that they can accept through the friends list or the Steam overlay. Once they accept this friend request, they will immediately appear on the lobby, so you will see 2 out of 4, and you can repeat this until you have 4 players in the lobby, or you can start with only 2 or 3 players as well. It doesn't matter. So now if you choose new game or continue, you will be able to browse through your save files. If you choose new game, choose an empty slot to create your save file, give your organization a name, and consider doing the prologue. This is going to be especially useful if you have never played before. It will give you an idea of the game's mechanics to start. But of course, it is optional, so it is down to your preferences. When you choose begin game, whoever is on the lobby with you will be dragged into the save file. All of you will go through the character creation screen, and once you load in, you will see each other ready to play multiplayer. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Schedule 1 in multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.